You not seen him since. Yeah. See you guys later. What is that?
Purple.
I told you it's color pink. Color
Pink.
Oh yeah, which other one? What's the color?
Blue.
Which other one?
Orange.
Good boy. Which other one? The one you're holding in your hand is color
Purple.
pink. Say it. Color
Pink.
color
Pink.
color.
Pink.
That's my boy. This is color.
Blue.
This is one. This is color.
Orange.
That's my boy. This is color what?
Blue.
That's my boy. This is color white.
White.
Color.
White.
Color.
White.
Oh yeah, give mommy what?
White.
That. Another one.
White.
Come on, hug mommy. Okay. So let's get ready to.
Eat.
Let's get ready to.
Eat.
We are going home today. Do you know it?
Yes.
You want to go home?
Yes.
Are you happy to go home?
Yes.
Okay. See someone that's not feeling fine. That's not me feeling fine. We are going home today. He's the happiest person to go home. Oh, Lord in heaven, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Listen, I get home. And I have work to do. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll need to, by God's grace, when I discharged today, I don't know the time. Even if it's 10 p.m., I don't mind. We're going home today. So when we get home tomorrow, I will sleep well. I know that I have a lot of things to do because I've not been in my house for the past 5 days. And I'm in the same city. You can imagine. So after that, tomorrow by God's grace, I'll be going to the market to restock and everything. Let me start buying small Christmas things before the price, you know now. My Lord in heaven. No, and after color identification, I want to start pouring it. So after that, shopping or cook within the week. Then I'll resume work on Monday by God's grace too. Then Friday by God's grace we have office TGS. I'll carry you guys along. This vlog promises to be a happy one because the previous one an emergency happened, so it's going to be an happy one. We'll cook, we'll party because you're entering the season. Involve me. You have clothes. Have you got drinks that you want to party? Involve me. So that's that. My son is so happy. See. And it's okay. Do you want to break it?
No.
Don't break it, okay? Okay? I give mommy. No, now. Thank you. What color is this? Color?
Purple.
This is not purple. Let's say like purple. Color? Pink.
Pink.
Color?
Pink.
Color?
Pink.
Color?
Pink.
Color?
Pink.
That's enough for color identification. Okay, I've given you guys an update of what the vlog is all about. So why don't you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel? What are you waiting for? Please help me. By God's grace, I'll try and see if I will do vlogmas because I've never done it. I will try. Tell me what's this boy with this thing. I'll try and do vlogmas this year. I will try. Fingers crossed by God's grace. So this week, after cooking on Sunday and everything, Saturday and Sunday, I'll go and take off this hair and do something to this nails because the girl is looking like what I don't know. Let me not look like my problems. So see you guys later, or maybe when I'm going home, I'll show you guys that I'm going home. Bye. Kiki, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Say see you. Say, tell them to subscribe to the channel. Say subscribe to the channel. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. Say like. Say share. And comment. Bye. Say bye again.
You know, but hold
How's
on.
your brother now? You've not seen him since. Yeah, come and carry your since. Let's go.
We can wait small before I enter this road.
Kiki is happy to go. Abby? I thought Kiki. Yeah.
That's what I'm
Yeah, before you make a good decision. Kiki. This way. This way. This way.
Okay, well,
I
I'll
want to
come
look at
down.
this person. Hey, this guy can over here. Which kind of like Game on one. How the game this is the happiest person you should now snap. Name some noisemakers. No more than this. Okay, come on, eat.
2,000 years later.
Good. Beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Or rather, hope you enjoyed watching to this point. Yes, this video is just our testimony. Just to be sick, go to hospital, come back, health, whole and hearty. It's not by your own making. Because being in the hospital, I've never stayed in the hospital for 5 days. Even when I was pregnant, I didn't stop trying. Let alone my son taking it to the hospital. This is just a video saying thank you, Jesus. We are alive, we are healthy, we are healthy. Thank God. We went to the hospital sick and we came out whole by His special grace of God. We are grateful. Please just thank God for my son in the comments. Say thank you, Jesus, for healing us, for taking good care of us, for making the drugs to work. Make it all by His grace. So how you guys doing? How have you been? Into my own voice to this, to what is happening in the country, we all know, but it's all by God's grace. We talk about the people up there, but let me now say my own. I felt being in the hospital, it takes the grace of God to go to the hospital and come out alive. Yes, before we got to that hospital, there was a guy that's been on support, life support, oxygen, and you can imagine how much they've spent. They've stayed, I don't know how many days they stayed before we came. we stayed 5 days, I will know the amount of money that came out from our pockets. Let alone someone from that. And after, on the 5th day, the last day I was leaving, that's when they wanted to transfer that guy to a teaching hospital. Not alone that they wanted to transfer him to a teaching hospital, they were wasting a whole lot of time. By the time we got discharged around 6, till around 7, 8, the guy was already downstairs. He was still downstairs in the ambulance. Tell me why. It's okay. It's okay. Tell your auntie it's okay. Drink water and get ready to sleep. Did you hear me? Mommy did this. So you can imagine how long that guy must have spent. And we don't value human life. Someone that he's actually fighting his life. The only thing you need to do is to hasten up. Do whatever you want to do. In Lagos, they have BRT lane. They should have ambulance lane. That's even the main thing. They should have ambulance lane, because nothing should be, as in, I don't understand. They were just downstairs, as in waiting for what exactly? Maybe waiting for them to clear the bills, or waiting for them to get letter for transfer to the next hospital. I really don't know. As in, I was pissed when I saw that guy, the family, you're already praying for him. They were crying. I don't know when tears just came down from my eyes. I'm just praying that God will just have mercy on that guy and let him not die. Because he's just a very young guy. It looks like he's battling with kidney or liver, as in with the look of things. Yes. In fact, the vlog is already too long. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please help me. I've been stuck on a particular number of subscribers for a very long time. Please watch to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment and like. If there are any kind of comments you want to see from me, please do let me know, okay? And I promise to bring it to you guys. So I just finished. You must have seen I went to do my hair and my nails. These nails, I don't know. I'm just feeling the nails. So thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.